Not this fool again.
Véndeme, güey, véndeme.
Oh, hell no.
Welcome back, randomizers. So in this week's video, we have a very special video that of course I am so excited because I'm gonna eat food. Woo! Anyways, we're gonna get started and show you about what we have in our table. We have some gumballs and some gummy worms, gummy llamas, more gummies, and Pop Rocks. Kool-Aid Pop Rocks, yum. We also have this big bottle of chamoy. Not spicy, by the way, because we don't like spicy. We have some Airheads, different types of flavor, yum. We have 2 bags of Takis, 6 bags of Tostitos salsa verde. It's so bomb. And our peanuts. Peanuts are the bomb. Also, we have our little friend Boo right here. So cute. And of course, a napkin. And last but not least, we have these amazing lemons. Very juicy. Hopefully they're juicy because I don't know how to pick lemons. Anyways, I'm not doing this video by myself. I'm gonna have your 2 cholos, Christian and Anthony, right here, and I can't wait for you guys for us to actually start eating our Tostilocos, alright? Alright guys, so let's call our 2 cholos. Ready? And
Hey, where's the other cholo at?
maybe if I move this bottle. You wanna try it again?
Yes.
Ready, and hey! Okay, so we're gonna get started. Vamos a empezar a cocinar. Eggs. So party just started. I'm gonna start making some food.
Yeah, well, I have at $13. I'll make them.
Plus tax.
Gotta make business.
Don't buy it. So let's just make it instead.
I have 1 customer.
Okay. Oh, okay. So you get 1 bag. Ooh, this smells so hard.
Hey, why does this thing have like peanuts?
¿Qué onda ese? Oh, let's put the peanuts here. Okay, so now we're gonna start dipping our chips. Hagan Tostilocos. La manera que ustedes quieran, ¿ok? Oh, son poquitos, no compren.
$13.
¿Quieres otro?
Yeah, a little bag, by the way.
Vamos a compartir, ¿ok?
Whoa.
Going all in a gangster style, right?
It has like a lot of juice.
Sorry, Boo. Gotta go. Gotta go, Boo. Okay. Takis. Okay, so we're gonna share these again because we only got 2 bags.
Hey, you get the full bag?
No, he gets like a little bit too good. You gotta put some Takis in there. Get some Takis. Takis, man. Oh, damn, this is fun. Okay. That's fine.
Wow.
We have another bag, don't worry.
I got like
Nice.
5 little Takis.
Okay, I leave them together. They're good.
Adriana, ¿ya pongo limón?
Yeah, just squeeze it. Okay, so we did get gummies, like you said, and we got llamas because they're amazing. Well, llamas are cute, and we got the worms for Halloween. Oh, also we are, well, we're trying to make this like a Halloween theme, but I don't think it's gonna work out because they're going in. These cholos are going in. Got my contacts, and I feel like they're gonna get some lemon. Oh, it's spreading everywhere.
Yeah.
They have no juice.
Very juicy.
Not a lot of juice.
I'm just not strong enough.
More lemon. I need more lemon.
Wait, I need some worms. Oh, yay. Oh, with the chamoy. Oh, at the
Chamoy,
end.
huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I forgot
So
about.
those chamoy, huh? Where is that?
No, aquí estaba.
Oh, aquí está. Look.
I forgot.
Bam.
I forgot about that.
Good.
I want to put some on right now. Is it over?
Oh, also, you guys, we forgot to show them that we have Sunny D. Okay. Sorry, babe, I ran out of gummies. Let's see. I'm gonna put this down.
Okay, man.
Okay, there you go.
Chamoy.
Aquí está.
Chamoy, compa. Ese. Ahí, güey.
So, what are your cholo names? We want to know. ¿Qué es tu cholo, tu nombre de cholo?
No sé.
What do you want to be, babe?
How they call me at work?
Cricama?
Cricama.
Oh, yeah. ¿Y tu cholo name?
Antopa.
Antopa?
Sí, Anthony Paredes.
Oh, this one's juicy. Look at this, babe. Oh, yeah. God
Yeah, this one is
damn.
really juicy. I got two of them.
Limón, pero es mucho. Nice.
Ah, sí, eso sí, sí.
Chamoy?
You have it. Alright.
Chamoy, mega original. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful. Halloween blood. Poor llama. You know what? I'm gonna go all in because, like that.
Cholo.
Yeah, the llamas are good.
Plato de cholo, compas.
I like eating them. Por lamos.
Uf. Ajá, güey. No he comido.
I just dig
The
it.
lights. Late. Ooh.
I'm gonna put everything in the little thing and make it like that.
No, gummies are good. The gummies?
¿Dónde compraron ese limón?
¿En la Cárdenas?
Aquí vengan y les venderemos uno a $1000. Nomás por ser ustedes se los vendemos a $500.
He just raised the price. $500.
Ya.
Yo soy más como de like lemon, salt, like a little like chile, and you're more like a
Sugar. Chocolates in general.
God, he loves chocolate. ¿Tú qué eres? Como
Yo también el chocolate.
no como limón. ¿Tú eres más como limón, chile con sal? ¿O eres más como dulce, como chocolate chicloso, algo así? ¿Qué prefieres?
Yo digo que el limón y eso.
Yo también, ey.
No!
Te
Yeah.
sacamos del juego.
Oh, I could eat the air has then. Now this I like.
Look, we forgot.
A lot of stuff.
Ay, fuck.
We forgot los cueritos. We forgot pepino. ¿Qué más olvidamos?
Pepino.
They gotta blame me because I don't know how. I never
Jícama.
did it.
Tú ya lo conoces. Allá en México, ¿cómo los preparan?
Bueno, los tostitos a veces les ponen como elote cocido.
¿Sí?
Sí, haz de cuenta. Déjame comer. Y cortan la bolsa así por la mitad. El elote que vende una señora así. Cocido. Le echa y le pone crema.
¿Crema? ¿A
Crema.
los tostilocos?
Sí, crema. Queso. Lo preparan como un elote.
Con limón, chamoy, todo.
Depende si le quieres poner
Ah.
Y con queso y muchas cosas le ponen.
Ujú. La verdad que no he visto eso. Like I haven't seen tostilocos with cream, right? Dice cream, huh? Cream, corn.
Sour cream,
Yeah.
corn, and cheese.
I have not seen that here. Well, that I've seen, I haven't seen, you know?
Había una vez que se me hizo bien raro, porque en vez de venderlos así con lombrices, taquis o cacahuates, lo vendieron con fruta, no, verdura cocida, como chayote,
Ew, hell no. I don't even like that in general.
pero estaban ricos.
So you want to eat them healthy with fruit and vegetables on it.
So, we're gonna end this video here. We're gonna eat the rest. Yeah, he's done. I'll probably eat a little bit more, and then
I'm
he's
very
probably
nice.
gonna eat all. ¿Vas a comer todo?
No creo.
We're all like this.
Just be a thumbs up.
Give this video a thumbs up,
Denle like a este video.
like,
Y suscríbanse.
and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Bye.
Cholo style. See you guys next time. Boom.
Peace.
And I can't reach.